Have you ever pondered on how to install a graphics card in your PC? It can seem like a daunting task, especially if you're new to the world of PC building. But fear not, because today we're going to demystify this process and break it down into easy-to-follow steps. Imagine a world where high-quality gaming, stunning 3D graphics, and smooth video playback are just a graphics card installation away. That's the reality we're stepping into right now, so buckle up and let's venture into the world of PC hardware. The first step is making sure you have all the necessary components. You need a compatible graphics card, your PC, a Phillips screwdriver, and an anti-static wrist strap. The wrist strap is to prevent static electricity from damaging your components. Secondly, ensure your PC is unplugged and powered off. It's a simple yet crucial step to avoid any electrical mishaps. Thirdly, open the PC case. You can usually do this by removing the screws on the back of the case. Once you've done that, locate the motherboard and the PCIe slot. This is where your graphics card will reside. Now, it's time for the fourth step. Prepare the PCIe slot by unfastening the screw that secures the slot cover. Remove the cover, revealing the slot where the graphics card will go. Next, the fifth step is to take your graphics card, align it with the PCIe slot, and gently but firmly push it into place. You should hear a click when it's correctly seated. Secure the graphics card with the screw you removed earlier. The sixth step is to connect the power. If your graphics card requires additional power, locate the power cables from your power supply unit and plug them into the connectors on the graphics card. Finally, close up your PC case, plug it back in and power it on. If your monitor displays an image, congratulations! You've successfully installed a graphics card. To summarize, installing a graphics card involves several steps. First, gather your components. Second, power off and unplug your PC. Third, open up the case and locate the PCIe slot. Fourth, prepare the slot by removing the cover. Fifth, insert the graphics card into the slot and secure it with a screw. Sixth, connect any necessary power cables. And finally, close up your case, power on your PC, and revel in the glory of your successful installation. Remember, while it might seem intimidating at first, installing a graphics card is a straightforward process once you understand the steps. And the reward? A world of high-quality gaming, stunning 3D graphics, and smooth video playback, all at your fingertips. So why not give it a try? After all, the world of PC hardware is waiting for you to explore.